Okay, UMA did something similar where there was a huge moonshot from 16 to resistance at $18.70. Taking a GAN approach to this, if UMA can stay above $16.70, UMA and BAND may go up together. I'm certainly loving that they actually, got this bump up in these coins. They've been kind of, I don't know, they get hot, then they get cold. These coins to me are interesting, right? So if you want to play something conservative, try BAND or UMA, or at least look at them, not investment advice. Now, somebody was asking if GNO is still a buy. Well, our AI has been all over this in the portfolios. Okay, for those that don't know, our sponsor, tokenmetrics.com, basically aggregates the top rated coins and then adds them into a portfolio so that you can be diversified and hold 5 or 6 coins. GNO has been featured for weeks, and this thing has recently mooned from 480 to 640. Now, I'm not going to get in front of this, but I think it may be time, especially since this started at 200, right? So you get the 3x in a really big coin. If it takes out 640, it's just gone. But it may be time to ring the register here and think about, I don't know, other forms of DeFi, Avalanche, Decentraland. In other words, if you made a ton of money in this, it may be time to put some of that money to work elsewhere. Now, let's just totally focus on Solana, because I know I was maybe all over the place with the 2017 analogy. So I think one of two things is going to happen in Solana. Solana is either going to do what ETH did in 2017 and go from 250 to 1,000 or higher, or Solana is going to be like Bitcoin and do like a, I don't know, like a 3 or a 4x, right? Or maybe a 2x to either 500 or 800, while something like Avalanche or something we don't even know about yet goes wildly speculative. You have to really be careful that if there's no material dip off this infrastructure bill, you cannot be a crypto hedge fund. As a matter of fact, folks, I don't think you can be a hedge fund at all if you don't have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana on your books. It's called window dressing, right? In other words, you need to show your investor at a year-end report that you've owned some of the biggest winners of the year. Something people really don't understand in crypto. It's very popular in legacy. You'll see some of the biggest winners appear and go up a lot at the end of the year because people need to show they own them or own more of it or whatever. And then there's an ensuing dump come January. Now, that's a conversation about the market cycle, which we will have later because we're going to have Forrest weigh in on that because, as usual, Forrest has a surgical answer to where are we in the cycle. Trader Joe, okay? Interesting formation here, right? Up, back down, up, back down, up, back down. Longtime readers will know that that's a coiling formation that could sometimes lead to a really big move. Okay, so Trader Joe, could be and could move like Uniswap of old.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.